In our universe, there are mysterious regions of space that rip apart anything in their vicinity. They are so dense that not even light, traveling at an astonishing 300 million meters per second, can escape their gravitational pull. These elusive regions of space are called black holes, which are formed when a large star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself in a process known as a supernova. To understand how dense black holes are, let us imagine if the Earth were to become a black hole. In this case, the mass of our entire Earth would have to fit into a space of only 8.7 millimeters. For reference, 8.7 millimeters is smaller than a coin. Therefore, it is evident that black holes confine a huge amount of mass to an extremely small space. This great density leads to significant warping of spacetime, which is a mathematical model that joins space and time into one continuum. The spacetime becomes curved around objects with mass and therefore gravitational pulls. Because black holes have such a great gravitational pull, spacetime warps a lot around them. Let us now learn about two main elements of a black hole, the event horizon and the singularity. The event horizon is a circle that marks the black hole's boundary of no return. In other words, anything that passes this event horizon will no longer be able to escape the black hole's immense gravitational pull. This means that the region inside of the event horizon is completely black because no light can escape. Another part of a black hole is called its singularity. The singularity is a point at the black hole's center where mass is compressed down to an infinitesimally small point, having no volume. This means that the density at the singularity is infinitely large. In this diagram, the curvature of spacetime is also visible. As you can see, spacetime curves more and more dramatically as the black hole's singularity is approached. Now that we have discussed some basic anatomy of a black hole, we can cover the known types of black holes. The most common type of black hole is called a stellar black hole. Stellar black holes are at least several times more massive than the Sun, sometimes ranging up to multiple tens of solar masses. The other type of black hole is known as a supermassive black hole. This name is quite accurate as supermassive black holes are typically millions or even billions of times more massive than the Sun. These types of black holes are nearly always at the center of large galaxies such as our own Milky Way. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way is called Sagittarius A and is over 4 million times more massive than the Sun. I hope you enjoyed learning about black holes. Thanks for watching.